video, we will learn a 7-move checkmate for black. White starts the game with e4, controlling the center. Black replies with e5, also controlling the center. White plays knight f3, attacking the pawn on e5. Black replies with knight c6, defending the pawn on e5. White plays bishop c4, which is called the Italian game. Black plays a very surprising move, knight to d4. White plays knight into e5, which is a mistake because of queen to g5 attacking the knight and the pawn. Knight into f7 is very common here, but it's a big blunder. Let me show you why. Queen into g2 attacking the rook. Rook to f1 is the best move here. Queen into e4 check. Bishop e2 is a blunder because knight to f3 is a stunning checkmate. And if queen to e2 is played, knight into queen e2, bishop into knight e2, king into knight f7 is just completely winning for black. Thank you. Hope you have enjoyed. Bye.